Some people say Cyprus, or specifically Limassol as a business hub, is the new Dubai of the Mediterranean. Can we compare Cyprus to Dubai? What are the pros and cons if somebody is thinking to relocate to a lower tax jurisdiction, better weather? What are the pros and cons of Cyprus versus Dubai, which is very popular right now? It's doing great for its own reasons. And I know that you have a company in Dubai as well, and you help people there. So you are the person to explain to us this.
Actually, it's a very good question. These two jurisdictions are very comparable, and they have their different merits and advantages, of course, and disadvantages. Mm-hmm. So I would say that Dubai is a different beast on its own. Everything is very expensive there, but of course it's very welcoming to businesses. And the government there, the local government, we're talking about the UAE, but we're focusing on Dubai and Abu Dhabi. They want to help the businesses. So it is a good financial center, but a costly one. Costly to set up a company, costly to stay in a hotel, costly to eat a burger, costly to go to the beach, costly to pay for a sunbed. Everything is expensive there except the beautiful service of the taxis and the Uber, because that's amazing.
I've seen articles now, like people from the UK, they've relocated there. They're so excited about the lifestyle and the taxes. But then when you add up the cost of living...
That's why I've said the taxes, you're spot on again. So if we are comparing equals Cyprus and Dubai, you cannot see in isolation how much is the corporation tax in Cyprus and say it's 12.5%, and how much is the tax in Dubai, 9% or maybe 0% for the small businesses, because that's not just it. You need to be visiting Dubai with your UAE card once every 6 months. You need to be actually receiving services for your Dubai company from firms like us, accountants, auditors, service providers, lawyers. You need to live there a bit. I mean, you need to see your clients there. You need to have some presence. Don't forget that Dubai, like Cyprus, like the rest of the EU, is fully compliant with the OECD model. They need to be compliant with the EU substance rules. Otherwise, they will be fined significantly. And this is something that they do not want. Yeah, they are not in the EU, but
you need to hire service providers there as well, and they're more expensive than Cyprus.
Yes, they need to be off the black lists for international tax planning purposes.